And today I wanted to do my 5 favorite things in 5 minutes, okay? We'll see if I can do it this time. All right, so my first favorite thing this week is my Norwex window cleaning cloth. This thing is amazing. If you have never tried this, this is so amazing. So what you do is you wet it and then you wipe your mirrors. You don't need any Windex, you don't need any window cleaning supplies or anything like that, which is really great for like in your bathroom, you know, when you have to clean your sink and your mirrors and you try to get everything off your sink so that you can clean your mirrors and not have all the spray over all of your products on your sink. So this, you don't have to do that. You just wet it, wipe down your mirrors, and then they dry clear, spot-free. This is amazing. I love this so much. So if you need a Norwex consultant, let me know because I have a couple of friends that sell Norwex, but this has been awesome. Okay, and then my second favorite thing is, as you can tell, I have red lipstick on, and it is our At Play Mini Lip Gloss that turns into a matte lipstick. And I love this so much. We actually have 4 different colors. And so we have Berry Strong and Red Alert, and I have on Red Alert right now. And then we also have Taupe Fat and Red Envy. So these are great colors. This Red Alert here is a great neutral red lipstick. I think it would look good on just about anybody. So I really have never worn red lipstick until this. So this has been a great little product for me to try. And it's small enough you can fit it into your pant pocket or into your purse, and you know, just do a quick apply after you eat dinner or before you eat dinner, since we'll have our masks on before and after. So this is just a great little colored product. And then the third thing that I am really enjoying to make my makeup mask proof is our translucent powder. So I put my translucent powder over whether I wear CC cream or I wear our regular foundation. CC cream tends to come off less on my mask because it's like a tinted moisturizer, so it sinks into my skin more. This is more like, you know, a regular makeup, but when I put our clear translucent powder on top of that, it really does help either one of those not to come off. If I use my Skindinavia makeup finishing spray, it helps everything stay on even better underneath my mask. So I really love this. It's what you do is you just take it and you do an X and then you do a T, okay? And so this is fantastic, really does help your makeup stay on underneath your mask. So our 5th product that I really am enjoying right now is our hand sanitizer. It has shea butter, aloe, and glycerin in it to help keep your hands moisturized. It does not have any, it does not make your hands sting when you spray it. So this is great for kids especially because they don't dread getting this on their hands. So it does not sting, it does help keep your hands nice and soft throughout the day. So those are my 5 products, and I did it in less than 5 minutes. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And again, if you're interested in any of these products, whether it's the Norwex window cleaning cloth or any of these Mary Kay products, just let me know and I'll hook you up. All right, have a great day.